Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a different bike altogether. So this is a Himalayan. It's a standard Himalayan converted to a flat track bike. These were basically done for IBW. So now before I proceed ahead and explain you all the changes that are done on the bike, I'd request you to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon for all updates from me. So beginning with what all changes have been done on the bike, let's start with what all has been stripped off of the bike. See, both the tires and rims have been stripped off. Front brakes have been removed, disc has been removed, complete caliper, brake, levers, everything has been removed from the front side. Then the headlamp and the meter console have been removed. The headlamp holders too have been removed. There's a custom bracket now just to hold the nameplate on the front. The tank is stock, engine is stock as compared to no internal changes. Oil strainer is also stock, oil filter is also strong. The chain sprocket are also stock. The seats have been removed, the rear grab rail has been removed, the small rack that is on the bike, and a custom seat has been made for the bike, for the flat track. Brakes at the rear are stock, nothing changed on it. The ABS system has been stripped off again from the bike. There's no ABS sensor anymore in the bike now. The stock exhaust too has been removed. So the mirrors have also been stripped of the bike. So has been the left guard out here, as well as the main stand of the bike. That too has been stripped out. The exhaust has been removed and a custom bend pipe is used now. It is wrapped with protectors, covers now, so it does not heat much or does not affect the rider in case of a crash or a fall of the bike on the rider. Then there are multiple joints out here, and then a SC project has been put up here. Now the exhaust sound, I'll put it at the end of the video. Do have a look. I mean, if you want to listen to the exhaust sound. Graphics have been added. Then what else? This is how the exhaust sounds of the flat track Himalayan. This is a SC project. Taking the exhaust sound once more, because that was from my MI A2 and here it is from OnePlus 6. It's pretty loud. Just at the lower RPM right now. Let me raise it completely. It's that loud. There are no dB killers, nothing in this. It's just completely free flow. No dB killers in this one. Handlebar is stock, just a cross bar has been added in between. Clutch is stock, clutch lever is stock. Horn and all has been stripped off to make the vehicle light. All indicators and tail lights have been stripped off again to make the vehicle really light. I rode the bike around here and it was absolutely light and fun to ride. I mean, I'm not used to riding a bike without the front brakes, but yes, in this area, in the secured area, I was pretty happy to ride it. Wheel up front is 18-inch and Timsun have been added. The Timsun number, it's 120 18 by 80 by 18, and the tire, I can't see the number. I think it is, no. Where's the number? Is it on the other side? Timsun, I think it is 62S Probably this is the number, I don't know, but if I find it's something different than this, I'll leave it in the description. And spoke wheels have been added up front for better effect or better shock absorption on the tracks. At the rear it is 110/90, again 18-inch, and this is 615S, again a Timsun one. So these are special flat track tires that have been added on the bike. So that's pretty much it for this bike. If you have any questions regarding this, leave it in the comments. So I hope everybody knows that why this bike was prepared. This was prepared for the IBW initially, 2019 IBW, and 5 of the bikes were made initially, and then this one is being made recently. So that's where I got a chance to take a clip. And yes, this is being made by Autolog. This is the Autolog flat track out here where I'm here now. That on the front end is Autolog, where all the mod work happen. So if you have any questions regarding this, you can buzz Autolog. I'll leave their links in the description, and otherwise you can leave questions for me and I can try and get answers for them from Autolog. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.
injection.